You are watching Rajat Support on YouTube. Days of the week in Japanese and days name according to the nature in Japan. Monday is Getsuyobi. Getsuyobi, or according to nature, Monday. Tuesday is Kayobi. Kayobi, Friday. Wednesday is Suyobi. Suyobi, Water Day. Thursday is Mukuyobi. Mukuyobi, Wood Day. Friday is Kimyobi. Kimyobi, Gold Day. Saturday is Doyobi. Doyobi, Earth Day. Sunday is Nichiyobi. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Thank you for watching video on Rajat Support. Please subscribe this channel and like, share and comment.